Hi, my name's Sean Beasley, and I wanted to give you a little look into the dictation feature of Mac OSX Mountain Lion. And this dictation feature is, it's kind of similar to the Siri implementation, with the exception that there's not voice commands, or at least not a set of voice commands that I could recommend. For the tool in and of itself, it's basically just speech to text for your Macintosh. So in order to activate this dictation feature, you can press the function button twice. By the default installation, it should start working right away. My system has a configuration issue where it doesn't work right away because I've got some kind of weird setup. Anyways, to get away from that, you go into the system preferences, and then you can open up dictation speech, and you can see here it's off. Here you can see that the microphone's recording, so you can basically have a live test of your microphone before you even turn it on, which is kind of cool. You can change the shortcut to any of these predefined shortcuts, or you can customize the shortcut yourself. I like the function key. It's kind of handy. It's far enough away from my mouse that I can click into it real quick and get it up and running. And here you can change the language to these available languages. Here's a little bit of information about dictation and privacy. This information is sent actually to the Apple servers and is converted and sent back to your computer. It says here, when you use the keyboard dictation function, keep on your computer, the things that you dictate will be recorded and sent to Apple to convert what you say into text. And here's the other thing, one of the reasons it's good, my computer's broke, so that I do this demonstration with you. You see that other information will also be sent to Apple. For example, relationships, if you say my dad, and your address book contacts. It says all of this data is used for help dictation feature to better understand you, yada yada yada. We're not going to break any of these rules and give away your information, but there's always the conspiracy theorists out there that do not believe that corporations take care of their data as they should. So just to be aware, when turning on this feature, you are sending your data and everything that you say and do to Apple. If you're okay with this, go ahead and click on, and it's going to warn you again, and then you can just click enable dictation. So how does this dictation work? Let's check it out. We're programmed to use English, and when I click function twice, now we will see that the microphone is registering that which I say, period. If I like, I can continue to dictate as long as I want to, comma, but I'm going to stop now, period. By clicking the function key again, I confirm that this information should be sent to Apple. It's now being sent to Apple, translated into speech, and being retransmitted to my computer. If you didn't want to continue, you could have hit escape, or you could have also hit enter. Now we will see that the microphone is registering that which I say, period. If I like, I can continue to dictate as long as I want to, comma, but I'm going to stop now. Pretty good for a first try. Now I'm going to switch to German, and my German's pretty okay. I live in Germany now for about the last 12 years, but when it comes to speech recognition, that's always a thing of luck. So let's see how this works out. Guten Tag. Punkt. Mein Name ist Sean Beasley. Punkt. Ich wünsche Ihnen noch einen schönen Tag. Well, it looked like it had an error, so let's go ahead and try it again. Guten Tag. Punkt. Mein Name ist Sean Beasley. Punkt. Ich wünsche Ihnen noch einen schönen Tag. Ausrufezeichen. This time I hit enter to kind of make more apparent what's happening. So, guten Tag, mein Name ist schon riesig. Sean Beasley is an American name, so we're going to go ahead and correct that. Ich wünsche Ihnen noch einen schönen Tag. yeah, so it worked out quite well. Even switching languages on the fly works quite well. I'm going to switch back to English for the next part of the demonstration. So this doesn't only work on Mac specific programs, this works on every program. Even though I'm using Safari here as an example, I've tested it on Firefox and every other program where I have to enter information. Really interesting is when you start using it to chat, but yeah, it's all a little bit of a toy at the moment. I think it will eventually change the way we use computers, but we'll have to see. So here I want to say, order pizza online Frankfurt. So there I am. 212 pounds in kilograms. Yeah, so there we are. Just a little play example of what you can do with the text-to-speech, and it does work really well. So good job, Apple, and thanks for that. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.